The water industry is facing a turning point.
Up to 1/4 of the total population has problems with access of enough water.
Scarcity and climate change. For this, digital is key. SUEZ is an international company operating in water and waste management in more than 40 countries. SUEZ has more than 160 years experience delivering essential services like drinking water, wastewater treatment, or waste recovery and recycling. So today, SUEZ is a champion in the circular economy. We work every day with our clients to reduce the environmental impact, fight against climate change, and for this, digital is key. So digital is getting more and more important, and this is a huge trend today and tomorrow.
We are very excited to see how technology can actually help a lot of data applications in the field of environmental control and monitoring. Vodafone is active very much into these fields. There are many examples that come to mind. One is in the UK, where we are deploying sensors to monitor coastal erosion and landslides. Or in Southern Europe, for example, Spain and Italy, where we have sensors that are distributed in wooded areas to have an early detection system for potential wildfires. Another example is having measurement stations in the center of the cities to monitor pollution in real time. A fourth element is to transform all our network of base stations into meteorological and weather collection systems. So if you consider, for example, a country like Germany, we have more than 20,000 base stations there, and every one could be equipped to measure temperature, humidity, and other environmental data and make them available for usage to all public institutions that want to use it.
The water industry is facing a turning point. Water scarcity, environmental and climate change. One of our best solutions today is the smart metering, and this is the heart of our partnership with Vodafone. So what's smart metering? Is measuring water consumption in real time and processing this data in order to measure, to detect leakage detections, or to help citizens to reduce their water consumption.
Today, up to 1/4 of the total population has problems with access of enough water, and we need to do our best to monitor consumption and identify leakages. Vodafone Business can help SUEZ connect and place sensors in their networks to ensure that water is actually measured both at the consumption point and in the distribution network to ensure that leakages and misusage are identified and actioned upon. This is enabled by narrowband IoT. That is a technology that enables companies like SUEZ to have millions and millions of objects connected, smart meters and sensors, and monitor them in real time. Vodafone is the leader in IoT worldwide. We have more than 175 million objects connected over more than 70 countries. There are aspects that are very important related also to the connectivity and the collection of the data, because the data needs to be used not just in terms of maintaining data series, but also elaborated and analyzed, especially with the AI today, and therefore the connectivity of sensors, the connectivity on the cloud, and the ability of provide compute capabilities for this new analysis that companies like SUEZ are doing is absolutely key to provide an effective technology insight to important problems like the water availability across the world.
What is interesting of the smart metering is that you have the real-time measurement, and we add on top of that data analytics using AI. With this solution, we can detect what are the usage you are doing in your home with water. So, for instance, we can detect showers or the washing machine and give advices to the final customer to reduce water consumption. So this is one of the benefits, and what we have observed is that we reduce up to 10, even 15% the water consumption. The work to be done in the environment protection is huge. We are just in the beginning. We cannot do it alone. Our strategy is to partner with the best. Vodafone is clearly a leader in telecommunication. So what we are doing with Vodafone is a global partnership with the objective of deploying more than 2 million smart meters by 2030.
I think combining forces and co-creating solutions that then can have a direct impact on the environment and on the usage of water is a fantastic opportunity for us, and we treasure the opportunity of co-creating and brainstorming together with these leading companies to really create something new for technology in this world.
Think about water when you open your tap as a precious resource. You know, for having this drinking water in your tap, there's amount of things that has to be done before, that has huge energy consumption and CO2 emission. So think about that as a precious resource that need to be protected, and I'm sure you will take care of it.